Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
Now we have had a review of the whole thing. We need a networking thing happening. जे आम्ही फाटी केल्ले last 40 days we have reviewed the whole system. खंय changes जाय कितें करपा जाय infrastructure connectivity. आता basically from the policy point of view where the IT policy and startup policy हांच्या खातीर रिवायव करपाक बस तयार जावपाक जाय that people are there, disbursements have to happen, certifications have to happen, events have to happen. We have to announce our plans and we need to ensure that we start looking at employability in the right sense. ताज्या खातीर we had called experts from the industry, we had called industrialists, we had called academia and government was there. So we have channelized a lot of brainstorming session on how things need to move ahead. What are the expectations of the industry, how we can correlate. एक वाटेन आमकां स्किल्ड मॅनपॉवर जाय पडटा पूण दुसऱ्या वाटेन देर आर चॅलेंजीस की आज समज इंडस्ट्री येतली जाल्यार स्किल्ड मॅनपॉवर आमचे कडेन आसा काय ना कित्याक ऑलरेडी द मॅनपॉवर इज बींग टेकन अप बाय द कंपनीज विच आर देर. सो हाऊ डू वी हँडल दीस इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर तयार करता आसतना वॉट आर आवर प्रायोरिटीज. सो वी हॅव डन अ बेसीक सेशन टुडे आफ्टर रिव्हिविंग द होल डिपार्टमेंट्स आनी कितें आमचो प्लॅन कितें आसा आमचो विजन कितें आसा तो फुडें कॅरी फॉरवर्ड करपाक हांकां घेवन करचें पडटलें कित्याक दीस इज हाऊ वी डू. New concepts we need to bring in. We need to be one of a kind. ताज्या खातीर we may be having a few announcements on that particular day. रोकडोच आमी एक 8-10 दिसा भितर we want to have a small event. That event which will have the whole IT fraternity coming together, sharing of thoughts, discussions, announcements. हे करून and a networking evening is what we want to do. हातूंतल्यान एक इकोसिस्टम तयार करपाक फुडें मदत जातली. एंड ऑफ द डे कसले व्हडल्यो कंपनी येवप जाल्यार एम्प्लॉयमेंटूय जाता आनी रेव्हेन्यू जाता. आनी IT समज कॉन्ट्रिब्यूट जातलो इकॉनॉमिक जाल्यार वी हॅव अ वर्क टू डू एंड आय एम शुअर वील मीट अप द चॅलेंजीस विच आर कमिंग विथ दीस.
प्रुडेंट सिनियर रिपोर्टर महेश रेड्डी आणि स्वप्नील तार.